Alright, we're going to change the cabin air filter on my daughter's 2008 Honda CR-V. These CR-Vs are the same from 2007 through 2011, but this procedure for changing a cabin air filter is the same on almost every vehicle, no matter what the make or model. So we come in the passenger door. You can empty your glove compartment. We've already done that so that there's nothing in there to fall out. And then this plastic piece over here is the soft open. It's what keeps the glove compartment from just falling open. So just going to want to lift up just ever so slightly and then pop it out. It's a plastic piece that holds on to this, and then you can kind of push it back up into the hole a little bit. Squeeze both sides of the glove compartment so that it'll fall all the way down. And then in here you're gonna have two tabs, and you just pull out right here, and this is holds your air filter. You can see how dirty that is, all the little stuff that gets in there, and this is the air that you're breathing inside the cabin. That's why you want to change these out. So you can see on this your airflow, and they actually had this in there wrong. The airflow you'll see on your cover is down. They had this in backwards. Okay, so you want to look at your car, the airflow is down, so that means that when we open up our new one, you don't want to just look at the way the previous one was installed, because like in this example they might have not known how to do it. Always look at the cover. So our airflow on this, airflow down. So we're going to put it in here. Just fits in one way. Airflow down, airflow down. And we're just going to put it back in. I have to reach in there. Step where I can't quite see what I'm doing. Just a little drawer. Then you just push it in. You hear a click. Now we're going to take our glove compartment, push the sides in like that, and then this little soft open thing we're going to pull back out, and then we're going to put it right there and click it in. That's all there is to it.